Begin by coming into a seated position on your mat. Allow your legs to gently cross, bringing each foot beneath the opposite knee. And now take a moment to notice your sitting bones, the points of contact between you and the mat beneath you. If you sense any rounding through your back, you could sit on a block or a cushion to gently elevate the pelvis. And now from here, begin to lengthen your spine, stacking the spine gradually, the lumbar, thoracic, cervical, allowing each segment to rise with ease. Shoulders gently softening down from the ears, letting the arms rest naturally on your thighs or knees, palms facing down for grounding, or turning upward if you'd like to invite a sense of openness into your practice. Gently drawing your chin slightly back, creating length through the back and through the neck. Imagining your crown lifting toward the sky, giving you a sense of spaciousness throughout the whole spine. And now bring your awareness to your breath, noticing the natural rhythm of the breath without needing to change it. Feeling the breath expand into the rib cage, front, sides and back. And as you exhale, allowing the body to soften just a little more. Feeling the weight of your pelvis grounding you, while the spine continues to feel light and lifted. Stay here for a few breaths, resting in a position that is both steady and at ease.